They might bite his hand.
Look at the people! That's this.
Grab this?
Yeah, go.
Awesome. If they bite my hand off, you sign like a waiver?
We've only lost like one hand this week.
Oh, okay, good. Thanks. Oh, look, they have feathers for an ostrich right there. Look at his butt. Want to see brother feed him?
You have to hold it with two hands. Okay? Here, look, I'll go with you. Hold it. You hold it?
Keep your hands over here. Like. Oh. Hey, how come that ostrich has like no fur on the back? Is he like, is he outcasted or what? Fur? He ain't got no fur. Look, that one. Oh, look, that one's. Look, he ain't got no fur too.
I think stress.
Hey,
That's usually what it is.
well, they got
Could
look, they have fur and feathers on the neck. See, Mama?
Yeah.
It looks kind of weird though, huh? They got like.
I looked at it earlier.
Daddy, look at the food.
Alright, guys.
What's up with that one? Is he lonely? Like the one way back there?
Oh no, that's a female, and she's just chilling.
Oh.
Yeah, her bum is naked because she was one
She's
of the
just like-
popular breeding hens this year.
Oh wow, she's just like I'm pooped.
They do the weirdest things. You'll be sitting, they'll walk around with one wing like this, and you'll
Yeah.
swear that their arm is broken, and they're just not there.
Yeah.
They'll sit halfway down sometimes and do. It's so strange.
What's on your hand?
They're hungry for you.
Let me see your teeth.
The beak. Go.
Where'd it go?
Oh.
Good.
They're going for it.
Here, you go pour him some in there. Pour some in here for him. They might bite his hand. That's what he wants. Oh no. Okay.
No, it's not bad. Huh. Oh, it's okay. Come on. Look at this, Ray.
That's brave.
Yeah, I mean, I jumped like a girl. I mean, I jumped like in fear.
It's
I was like,
okay.
ah!
Hey,
And then
they'll
they
jump.
finally got me.
Brother, you pet him. Pet him.
Ah! Look at this boy. Hey, Mom, give me some food. You ready?
This one wants the bowl.
No,
He's mad at the bowl.
Look, Lisa Ray.
Okay.
There we go. Well, look at that. Ready?
What are you up to, huh?
you have to hug him?
He's like, yo, where's my food at? I want my food. Haven't had it yet. All the other ostriches get their food, but I haven't got mine.
Me either. Come down. I got dirt in my eye again.
Let me see. So what do you think of the ostrich farm, Miss Ray?
Cute.
Did you like it?
I saw a bunny and I got one. It's not alive, it's a fake one.
Are you in the shoe?
Yeah, I'm riding it.